विसवा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. राज्यांत फुडल्या 5 दिसांनी पावस शिरशिरपाची शक्यताय आसा. पावसाळो सोंपपाक गोंयांत आनीक एक म्हयनो उरिल्लो आसा. म्हणटकीर राज्यांत नॉर्मल पावस आसतलो म्हण म्हायती हवामान खात्यान दिला. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Rainfall for the state of Goa, area weighted rainfall for the state of Goa today is actual rainfall amount of 1959.5 mm, that is 195.95 centimeters of rainfall, which is actually 24% less than the normal value. The normal value is 2593.4 mm. Any variation between plus or minus 20% is considered to be normal for a season, particularly for regions like Goa. So the conditions now prevailing, like we are going to get widespread rainfall for Goa state for almost the 5 days coming. That means most of the reporting stations are going to get rainfall, and the rainfall is going to be light to moderate. As of now, we are not expecting any heavy rainfall. Still, we are observing the conditions day wise every day, and if there is any condition that is going to give heavy rainfall, we are going to give warnings accordingly. And we are expecting the rain to have widespread distribution, so that in the season, when the season is ending by September 31st, we are expecting to have a normal rainfall for the state of Goa. Actual rainfall is 195.95 centimeter.
Okay.
And normal rainfall is 259.34 centimeter. The percentage difference is 24% less. We are not finding any condition that rainfall is abruptly stopping or anything. Rainfall is going to be widespread for the coming days also. So it is catching up with the normal, and still there is one more month left for the entire season to finish. So we are expecting to have normal rainfall for Goa for this monsoon also.